Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into the 7 stock picks by Elara Capital for Modi 2.0. So Modi is elected as the Prime Minister of India again for the second time, and we all hope that he brings in all good plans and good facilities for India. And in this period, like for the second term, Elara Capital has picked 7 stocks, each from one sector. So we'll get in and see which are those 7 stocks picked by Elara Capital from each sector. So we'll get in and see and look into the stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 30th May 2019. So first one in the list is PI Industries. So this comes under the chemical sector. So its current share price is 1082 rupees. The 52-week low is 657, whereas the high is 1154. The industry PE is 44, whereas the company PE is 35. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 25 and the debt to equity is 0, which means there's no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 29. The promoter holding is 51%. 2,642 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 25%, for 3 years 16%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 28%. So next stock belongs to the machinery sector, which is Ashok Leyland. Its current share price is 90 rupees. The 52-week low is 77, whereas the high is 152. The PE, industry PE is 21, whereas the company PE is only 12. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 28, whereas the debt to equity is 0.05. The TTM EPS is 6. Here it is foreign promoters, which is 51%. Mutual fund investment is 1,628 crores. And returns, 1 and 3 are in negative, for which for 1 year it is given as a return of minus 40%, and for 3 years it is given as a return of minus 5%. But 5 years it is positive and a good return also. For 5 years it is given as a return of 23%. So next one is into the IT, so which is HCL Technologies. The current share price is 1078 rupees. The 52-week low is 880, whereas the high is 1187. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 14. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 31, whereas the debt to equity is 0.09. The TTM EPS is 74. The promoter holding is 60%. 7,459 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 19%, for 3 years 12%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 9%. Next one belongs to the banking sector, which is HDFC Bank. So its current share price is 2,439 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,885, whereas the high is 2,449. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 29. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 7, whereas the debt to equity is 8. The TTM EPS is 78. The promoter holding is 26%. 69,327 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 18%, for 3 years 26%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 24%. So next into the cement sector, which is Shree Cement. Its current share price is 21,435 rupees. The 52-week low is 13,100, whereas the high is 21,950. The industry PE is 43, whereas the company PE is 74. The PB is 7. The ROCE is 18, whereas the debt to equity is 0.29. The TTM EPS is 273. Promoter holding is 64%. The mutual fund investment into the stock is 4,003 crores. Returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 28%, for 3 years 18%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 25%. Next one on the list is Nestle. Its current share price is 11,320 rupees. The 52-week low is 9,047, whereas the high is 11,751. The industry PE is 52, whereas the company PE is 66. The PB is 29. The ROCE is 70, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 170. Here again it is foreign promoters, which is 62%. The mutual fund investment is 3,617 crores. And returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 17%, for 3 years 21%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 18%. Next one and the last one in the list is Bharti Airtel. So its current share price is 346 rupees. The 52-week low is 254, whereas the high is 366. The industry PE is 0.89, whereas the company PE is 433.25. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 7, whereas the debt to equity is 1.66. The TTM EPS is 0.80. The promoter holding is 67%. Mutual fund investment in this stock is 10,357 crores. And returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 2%. 3 and 5 years they have given a positive return, but not a good return. For 3 years it is given us only a return of 1.65%, and for 5 years it is given us only a return of 1.80. So these are the 7 stocks from 7 sectors picked by Elara Capital, and they feel that these stocks will give us very good return in this next 5 years, where Modi has formed his government yesterday, and will be the prime minister for next 5 years. And they hope, Elara Capital hopes, that these 7 stocks from these 7 sectors will perform very good. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. So as you always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.